TurboTax Deluxe Desktop Edition 2025 from Intuit is a comprehensive tax software designed for P and Mac users. It simplifies filing both federal and state tax returns, making it ideal for homeowners and individuals with charitable donations or high medical expenses. This edition highlights easy installation and reliable tax preparation with expert support options. The software includes 5 federal e-files and 1 state e-file, with the state option valued at $40 if purchased separately. It maximizes over 375 deductions and credits to ensure an accurate return and the best possible refund. Users can access based technical support, and live tax advice is available for an additional fee, providing personalized assistance throughout the filing process. TurboTax Deluxe is perfect for taxpayers seeking thorough, user-friendly software that handles complex tax situations. It's especially useful for those filing both federal and state returns who want to maximize their refund with confidence. This edition offers a trusted solution for completing taxes efficiently and correctly.